Ito
Yes, sir.
naman po si Butch Bartolome.
Butch Bartolome, my sensei, my business mentor.
Hi, good morning, good afternoon. Butch Bartolome of the Business Mentor. Alam nyo ba ngayon ay meron tayong isang bisita o isang kaibigan na talagang nagpursigi ang pangalan ng kanyang negosyo ay Spa de Loco. Pakilala natin si Mr. Jeff. Jeff, introduce yourself.
Yes, hello, good day, and welcome here in Spa de Iloco. Ako po si Jeff Zamoranos, owner of Spa de Iloco here in San Fernando City, La Union. This is our main
Wow.
branch.
Aha. Okay. Jeff, pakita mo nga sa atin yung lugar kung saan yan located, yung Spa de Loco sa San Fernando, La Union.
We are located in the National Highway, second floor of Producer's Bar. Ito po yung National Highway.
Aha. So kitang-kita pala ikaw, no? Very visible pala tayo sa Spa de Loco, right?
And of course, this is the Producer's Bar. So guys, let's visit our shop here in San Fernando City, La Union.
Okay. So Jeff, mabalik tayo. Bakit nga ba ang pangalan ay Spa de Loco? Ano ba yung reason bakit kayo nagtayo ng ganitong negosyo? Kwento mo nga sa akin.
The reason why we put up this massage clinic or spa is because I and my wife experienced a lot of stress in our daily work before, about 11 years ago. Then after which, we found that spa or massage is very important for us to at ease our stress from work. So now, during that time, why not we have our own spa? And then we're trying to look out things. And then what if we anchor everything to our Iloco heritage or Iloco culture? So that's where it started the story. Because we believe that sharing the culture of Iloco or Ilocandia is indeed very important. Because somehow that's the missing link between all of us here. That we do this, we do that, but we do not anchor everything to our cultural heritage. And preservation, the sharing of the culture is indeed very important for every one of us.
So when did you start Spa de Loco?
We started Spa de Loco in 2014. And of course, during pandemic time, we had a temporary closure. And then we got back in 2023. This is our main branch. Our second branch is in Bawang La Union. It's a nearby town near San Fernando, La Union. And then our third branch is in Baguio City. Actually, these three branches anchor with the three categories, which is small, medium, and large branch that we foresee because we want to share it to our community as well. To our community, they want to build up their own spa that probably they would consider also having this kind of cultural heritage spa in their own area. Because
But Jeff, tell me, what makes Spa de Loco unique from other spa? How would your customers now look at you and say distinguish Spa de Loco as something that they will always go to? Because you told me that as early as now in the morning, you have early customers, no? What makes them come to you?
Spa de Loco has its values that's authentic. When we say it's authentic, we anchor everything to our culture. And of course, it's quality. Ayaw namin kasi yung basta nagpamassage ka, ayaw namin yung hindi ka talaga marirelax. This one is talagang full relaxation that you would really experience. Then of course, our team here, they really have this great collaboration and teamwork as well. So very important for yung mga values to really apply the concepts of Spa de Loco. And at the same time, the unique proposition that we believe is that we anchor it to our culture. Second is the inclusion of our PWD community. And then third is that when we talk about this massage, we have this personalized and customized spa packages with them as well. And then of course, Spa de Loco is also partnered with numerous agencies national government agencies, non-government agencies, and at the same time with different hotels, transients, and at the same time villa here in the province of La Union and in Baguio City.
Wow.
So we
So with since 2014 and now you're operating 2025, you're now entering 2026. How would you now look at the growth of Spa Di Loco? What are your plans, Jeff?
we're very happy to share that Spadeloco right now has about 96 to 98% rating from the Facebook across the three branches with over 400 reviews also. So we
Uh,
have incorporated also some Google reviews, and we believe right now that Spadero is really topping La Union, and at the same time, nasa top 5 na po tayo sa Baguio City. So we want to share
okay.
it also to the community where we believe that the people would love also to have this kind of experience that really na nagiging profitable, but it's not just profit that we want to share, but we want to help also the community to be more empowered when it comes to their employment, especially
Mhm.
our PWD community, because we anchor everything this to the Helen Keller quotation: "Alone we can do so little, but together we can do so much." So we want to
Wow.
help everyone to make this business grow with them as well, because
Yeah,
hindi naman magiging posible kasi ang bawat negosyo kung wala po yung mga kasama po natin, which is yung
exactly. So so Jeff,
natin.
saan kayo pupunta pa? Saan ang plano mo maglagay ng Spa Di Loco? May mga plano ba kayo maglagay ng mga branches pa sa iba-ibang
Yes po.
lugar?
Spa de Loco still envisions to have more branches and at the same time to share it with other people through franchise program. So
Ah,
we
okay.
we that these plans will be having in the north, central, and probably in the Metro Manila as well in the next months to come.
Sa atin yung ating team, isang team mo na PWD. Anong pangalan niya,
Here's Jenny,
Jeff?
one of our team members here at Padeloco. And of course, our beloved member of the family that's also part of the CWD community. Jenny,
Oh,
would you
Ken. All right. Thank you, thank you. And paano siya natuto ng massage, Jeff? How did she learn? Can you ask Jen? Can you ask her? Oo. Paano siya natuto? All right. Jeff, ano yung sinasabi niya? Ha? Sila isa ba ng ano? Sila isa ba nag-interpret? Kaya ni-interpret?
Sir, actually po, Jen here is, ang expertise po niya is more on nails. But then
Ah,
after some time, we get to help her also learn the massage technique. Because after may mga free time po kasi, so she needs to work out also on some massage technique. So that she could
okay.
share it on
Can you
time.
ask her last question? Is she happy with what she's doing, helping and working with Spa de Loco?
Are you happy with Deloco?
Okay. Now you're franchising. Ano ba ang mga locations ang gusto mong lagyan this year, no? 2026 na tayo. Ano ba ang mga target na nearest location aside from La Union?
Our nearest location na target po natin is basically in Ilocos area,
Mm.
Pangasinan, Tarlac, Pampanga, Port Isabela, Vizcaya. And later on, of course, yung Cagayan, susunod na rin po yung ating Cabanatuan or Nueva Ecija area. And later, we would like to achieve also to have Zambales, Subic, and Metro Manila.
Wow,
So,
that's good, ah. So talagang mukhang dadami tayo sa Spa de Loco. Sige, last word, Jeff, doon sa mga gusto maghanap ng negosyo, ano ba talaga ang tip na pwede mong bigay, no? Kasi you're also an academe, you're an entrepreneur. Ano ba yung one tip na pwede mo ibigay doon sa mga naghahanap ng negosyo?
Ako, ang perfect tip para po sa lahat po ng gustong maging entrepreneur is that sipag lang, grind lang ng grind kasi we never know what the future lies to us. Because after all, I always believe that God will always give us mercy also and blessings. So, pag sipagan lang po natin, so yung sipag po natin talagang may kahinatnan po yan na magandang taga later on. So,
Yan,
after
very
all,
good. Oo.
yung purpose very important kasi. Kasi kung wala po
Oo.
talaga yung purpose mo, you cannot really make meaning. Kasi ika nga, pag nakikita mo yung purpose mo kasi yun yung direction mo, you have to work on it. And we want to really share it sa culture, sa heritage po namin, sa community, sa business, and at the same time sa PWD community po natin. So, sa
Correct.
mga
Jeff, sa
So,
mga interested, saan ba kayo makokontakt? How can they contact you?
So, sa mga interested po dyan, you can just contact us through our official Facebook account, Padelo Coming, sa Facebook po. Just see us there. And
All right.
our team.
Okay. So very good. Thank you very much, Jeff. And more power. And I hope a lot of people will be looking forward in experiencing what Spa de Loco is. Ayan. Ito
Thank you,
naman po si Butch Bartolome.
Butch Bartolome, my sensei, my business mentor.